Hey, it's PJ. Ooh, oh, sorry. Ang gulo pa pala ng gamit ko. I just got back from a meditation camp. So it's a 10-day meditation camp. It's called the Vipassana or Dhammapala. It was life-changing. Like I could say na I was able to purify my mind at the deepest level, at the root level. Right now, I'm just having my time. I have few more days until I go back to work. So yeah, I'm really bored. I'm gonna challenge myself for 10 days. 10 days! Tama nga ba? So it's 9 ngayon. 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see kung kakayanin. Taas ang kamay ko sino yung mga allergic rhinitis dyan. So kung kayo magka-travel sa Japan, I highly recommend na pumunta kayo. Aside from Don Quixote, puntahan nyo rin yung mga drugstores doon. Meron silang ganito. As in, one spray lang yan sa magkabilang nose. It's really effective. Talagang instant relief siya for your allergic rhinitis. And also sometimes, I use my portable sauna. I just bought it online. Maganda kasi dito, it's like buong katawan mo nandoon sa loob ng sauna. It's good for your mental health. It's good for your allergic rhinitis. And on top of that, maganda rin kasi it burns extra calories. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link down under. So yeah, pakita ko lang. Meron siya dito. Door. And then yeah, you're gonna go inside and there's a window here where you can open it. And then you just have to add the lang na chair. Yeah, tas buong katawan ka na dito. Yeah. So minsan, nanonood ako ng vlog. Forget yan. And then, bye-bye. I just finished my 15-minute in sauna. So, usually I do sauna before or after gym. Tas ngayon, I'm gonna go to my CrossFit class. But yeah, I'm gonna eat first. So right now I have made fluffy waffles and the CP chicken tenders, which is my current favorite. And lastly, very important, my whey protein. The brand is Rice. I'm currently trying out the cinnamon toast. Medyo pricey lang siya compared sa iba whey protein, but I could say it's really good. So maybe you could try it. Okay, mabango naman. Bagong ludo. Ubusin ko lang to, then tara na sa box. Hello! Hey boys! Hey boys! Hey boys!
Aga.
Yeah, kaso umulan.
Gising ka na no? Gumising ka pa.
Gumising ako na. Palitigin mo ha.
Yung alternate daw, pagkataas ng isa, bibigay sa partner.
Yawa!
It starts with 160 double unders or single unders, 100 calories on the rower, 80 alternating dumbbell snatch.